Garrett and I are here at the shop today. We got the GLI, and we are going to be doing the coil grounding kit today from EQT. So if you don't know what this coil grounding kit does, essentially these replace the stock grounds inside the coil pack connectors and reroute it from the nut, the ground from the nut that sits on top of the coil packs, to a ground on the headlight, which is connected to the chassis. So it should be a much stronger ground connection, and this kit will make the car run a little bit smoother, idle a little bit better, and just be a little bit more healthy, I guess. This should be a relatively easy mod today to get started. Mr. Gary's gonna do that, and we are gonna take this off, probably throw this in the trash, you know, just somewhere, and we'll just put it on Garrett's stock wheels for right now. These little pins right there go into the coil pack connectors and replace this wire that grounds into the coil pack. It is going to be run over here to the headlight ground, I think that's the headlight ground, I could be wrong. And also it will make the coil packs way easier to change because we're no longer having to remove the nut, the ground cable, then another nut. It's just going to be one bolt that's holding in the coil packs. So it's a nice little mod, super easy to do, hopefully. They included a depinning tool along with some, I think, dielectric grease. So the very first thing we're going to have to do is actually remove these nuts on the top so we can loosen this one. But this one here, already loosened that one. Oh, no, that's hot. That one comes off no problem. You can pop this out, and then whenever you unplug the connector, you'll be able to easily depin that. Of course, that was lucky. My GoPro constantly is stopping the recording, and I have no idea why. But literally all we've done so far is about half of it, so you know, that's fun, right? But basically we, you know, took these off and disconnected these. In order to pop off these coil pack connectors right here, you're just gonna have to put a pick in there and just kind of push up, and they should pop off. Take all four off, and you know, that's that part. Then we did do the covers, and these covers basically just have little hooks in them that go into these holes right there. And what you're gonna want to do is stick a flathead inside this and push down and in, and these will be able to release. It's not too hard, but we don't want to redo it just because the video stopped recording, so I'm sorry, but I promise it's not hard. Get yourself a screwdriver, stick it in there, pop it out, bam. So in order to do the depinning, we're gonna have to stick this little included tool from EQT inside of the fourth side, and you can hear that little pop there, and it should pop right out. There she goes. Just remember that it goes in that way. It should be good to go. All right, one down, 3 more to go. All right, you hear that little click, and then okay, that one's out. Here that one doesn't click. This one, whenever the camera, ow, that's hot. Whenever the camera stopped recording,
that's what it is. Camera, stop recording.
We now know the reason I keep losing random clips is because if I say like start or stop with the keyword GoPro, I don't know, I don't want to say it and then it happens again. But if I say words, the camera will... Okay, I'm not going to say it. I almost said it. Anyways, we tried to get this one off and it was being a pain.
It's in there like swimwear.
She's in there like swimwear, that is right. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Come out of there. Ow, that's hot.
You need to do an ow, that's hot counter. I think we're at 4.
There it is. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I got it. she is. There she is. Okay, there's all 4 of those cruddy little things. All right, we're gonna take dielectric grease and we're gonna put this on our nipples, and then we're gonna put it on the connectors, I think.
It's just to help it go in there.
Oh, okay. I thought we had to spit on it first.
No, you can. It's optional.
So we're gonna go ahead and pop this inside of the 1. It's gonna be hard to see, but they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're only interested in the first one because we want to be number 1. And so we're gonna make sure the tabs are pointed up. The open side is pointed towards the passenger side of the car, and we're gonna have to make sure this weatherproofing sits in there. So we're just gonna shove her in there. Okay, that's sideways. There it goes. Yeah, I hope that works. If it doesn't work, yeah, I won't know. If it doesn't work, I'll just be upset. Be kind of generous with it. Yeah, come on. Okay. That's good. Alright, now, same principle. You know, make sure that's good. Plug it into the first hole. Tabs pointed up. There she goes. I reckon that's okay. Same thing again. Oh. At least I didn't break the cable. I pushed in there super hard and it like kinked a little bit, but I don't think we did any damage. As long as it works, I'll be happy. Okay, so you can see the connectors back in there as well. Now we can basically just kind of run these back, and I'm gonna just try to route these here under the covers. I don't know. We'll see if we can do that. No! Oh wait, there it goes. Okay, so that's under there. Okay. Now we've got 3. Let's see. It ought to be fine. Yeah, would you look at that? That's fine. All right. That's pretty stinking cool, isn't it? And now I guess we can just run this however we want, but you know, it says race car on it, you know, race car, John's race car, that's what that says. So we want to have it exposed so everyone knows it's my race car, or I can hide it if I want, but anyways, yeah, maybe we'll just do it like that. Yeah, we'll do it like that. So, not sure how we're gonna get these, but if you pull up on that tab, apparently it breaks this side free, so. Okay, this one, there it goes, just like that. So you just have to pop out all these little pain in the a-hole clips. And then we can, I don't know, is that a 10? This is a 10. We'll just loosen that. And yep. So that's a 10 right there. Okay, and then we can just take this, make sure you take the flat side and put it on there. And then you can run it through one of the extra holes that Volkswagen conveniently includes because they know you want to do this kit anyways. And then you can just put the nut back on. This already, like I haven't even turned on the car yet, but I definitely feel more comfortable with this ground.
Yeah.
Than, you know, sandwiching it between
whatever that is.
It's just definitely feels better, especially like since they already gave you pre-made holes for like extra stuff. But I don't know if that top one's gonna be able to close. It's not really an issue, it's just
OCD.
Yeah. I think for right now that's fine. Okay, GoPro's 7%. So, last step. We need to take these bolts, put them in right there. Bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. All right, ready? Okay, don't be a pain. Let's get it. Worth pointing out that I don't know what size this is. Oh, it's a T30. So, these are T30s, and they're super duper way nicer than those cruddy bolts that came with this car. Okay. Once you do that, you're gonna take these, line them all back up. Just like that. Okay, I think that's all. Well, now that these are back in, these two didn't really make a clicking noise. I don't know if that's normal. I hope it's normal, but we're gonna go ahead and fire her up and make sure that she starts all right. So let's do that. Once you're finished, you're gonna take your engine bay cover out of the trash can where you put it, or if you put it on wheels, you're gonna take it off wheels, or wherever you put it. And then you're just gonna find the spots, just like that, and say, she ain't going nowhere. And now you have successfully installed the EQT Coil Grounding Kit. So the install is actually not complete because we do have an EQT sticker, so we're gonna go ahead and put this up on the sticker wall. Right about, bam, right there. EQT. And I got another sticker too, so we'll be putting one on my car one day. So yeah, but that's all. So thanks for watching the video. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and you know, let me know what you thought down below. I will be trying to upload more videos. Did have a Miata video planned, and yeah, that's why there's a big gap between this video and the last one. But the Miata, there's a lot of stuff that happened with the car, and trying to make it all into a video when I'm missing a lot of clips is kind of difficult. So I'm working on a way to do that. Bear with me. There'll be another Miata video coming soon. But for now, you know, we do have this video. and hopefully I'll have another one soon installing the Barry Brecker CJM front lip or splitter for this car, and you know, that should kind of tie the whole thing together. And I may be vlogging next weekend some videos, but it just kind of depends on how everyone's feeling and how things are going, so we'll kind of see what happens. But stick around if you want to see some more content from this car, the Miata, the Mark V, and yeah, catch you guys in the next video.